Hi, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shardae. I'm a homeschool mama to 5 beautiful children. I've been homeschooling for 5 years, and my children are 8 years old, 5 years old, 3-year-olds, and I have 4-month-old twins. If you like day in the lives, give this video a thumbs up and think about subscribing to my channel. Thanks for joining us today.
The bag is not on my way. A plate.
Okay,
What?
sound it out. Okay, read the sentence again.
The bag is not on my lap.
As we work through this lesson, you'll see me flip through the pages because I was not prepared at all. So as she is working on things, I am reading the next section to make sure that I cover what I'm supposed to cover. I don't like reading verbatim word for word from the teacher's manual because it trips me up sometimes. So as long as I get the gist of what I'm supposed to do and grasp the important concepts and make sure that I am assessing her correctly, that's all I really need it for. Good morning, beautiful people. It is a beautiful Friday here in North Carolina, and we are headed out to play a game of... What are we playing? Guys, my brain. Sorry. We're heading out to play a game of kickball. Something that I realized my kids are kind of going to miss out on a little bit outside of like us maybe going to church is sports where they play with other people. So me and another homeschool mama that goes to my church, she just started homeschooling 2 months ago. And so we decided to get our kiddos together and play a game of kickball. I don't know how it's going to go. So we're meeting at a park just in case things go awry, and we can just always adjust, like go play and we can have some mom time. So I'm gonna actually go put on my contacts because my glasses don't like stay on my face that well. And yeah, what you saw in the beginning was me and Jessie working on phonics. I thought we would finish, but we didn't. Hashtag lots of hits. So once we get back, we'll probably finish that. And that'll probably be the only work we do. I also wanted to get some Rice Krispie treats done while we're at the park, but that didn't happen either. So, you know, whatever. But anyway, if you like this type of content, give this video a thumbs up. Thanks about subscribing to my channel. And thanks for spending our Friday with us. All right, we have just gotten finished with, we actually didn't play kickball. They just got to play, they were just playing at the park. And then we went to have lunch at our grocery store, Harris Teeter. On Fridays, there's $5 sushi. So everyone got a little tray of sushi. We ate that in the car because everyone was so hungry. And now we are back, but we have to leave in, it's 1:40 and we have to leave in 20 minutes because Benjamin has a doctor's appointment. So we're gonna finish up our phonics. And then I think that's probably all we're gonna do today regarding school. We might do Saturday school, and if we do, I'll just bring you along with us.
No Saturday.
It's not gonna be anything different than that. Means when we come home, we have to do school. She doesn't want to do Saturday school, but school is very important to me, and we typically take it like on Fridays anyway. So we're definitely gonna finish phonics. Then when we get back from the doctor's office, we will probably make some Rice Krispie treats. So Samari is sleeping, Samara's up talking, and then Benjamin is supposed to be asleep, but he's jumping on the couch right now. So, but I don't really want him to go to sleep because we're about to leave in 20 minutes. But anyway, all right, good. So you read Dad Had a Van. Did you read this one?
Yeah.
Okay, now just read that one down there.
Cam has a hat and a bat.
Okay, good job. Go ahead and erase this while I get to the next activity. Okay, so we're gonna work on a word ladder. And basically, you're gonna listen to each clue and then write the word right here. So we're gonna start down there, okay? So I'm gonna give you some clues and then we're gonna start at the bottom and then climb to the top. Ready?
Okay.
Okay, so it says, what's the first word? You start at the bottom. First word is?
Sat.
Okay, and then now here's the first clue, okay? You can wipe your feet on this. Change one letter.
Which letter?
Any letter. You have to guess. It's a word. It's a riddle. To music and do this with your feet. Change one letter. What do you do to your feet when you listen to music?
Dance.
Okay. What's this?
Snap your fingers.
And what am I doing to my feet?
Next.
What am I doing to my feet?
It's tap.
Good job. Okay, change your P. Fix your P. This color is a pale brown.
What's that mean?
Tan, just write tan. Okay. It is the past tense of run.
What does that mean?
Is the past tense of run. What's another way to something to the store? Instead of saying I run to the store,
I walk.
it's still run though. What's another way to say run?
Ran.
Yeah. I ran to the store. Ran. Right there. I ran. All right, so you're gonna go ahead and read What Do We Like?
I am Dad. I like my hat. Big hat, little hat. Do you like my hats?
Okay, so in this part, I want you to write about what you learned about someone in the story. So pick somebody in the story and tell me what you learned about them. Write it right there. In a sentence, the only thing that should be capitalized are names and the first letter in each sentence. So Pam actually is a name and it's the first letter. This P should be a lowercase p. And so should this P. That should also be a lowercase p. Okay. We're gonna check for fluency. So I'm gonna have you, do you wanna wear your glasses?
No.
Okay. So I'm gonna have you, oh, I don't have my pen, but I'm gonna have you read this word and then that's it. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 words. Okay? Go ahead.
At, map, had,
Good job. Okay. Thanks for coming along with us today. After we finished phonics, we went ahead and worked on her facts, where she had to practice her additional facts of doubles. And once we got back from the doctor, we had breakfast for dinner. If you haven't heard it today, please know that our Heavenly Father loves you deeply. And don't forget to drink your water and repent. Bye.